What's up, guys? I found a good use for these. You know these old clothes hangers you get when you're at the store? And you just throw these puppies away, don't care about them. Well, I was thinking, wouldn't that be a good chip clip? Our sliced apples from the last video, which I'm still going to eat these. I'll fold it up. Put it on there. Look at that. Look how good that grip is on that. I say we break one of these puppies off and turn it into a chip clip. I've already kind of I used a knife to trim it down a little bit because I'm not going to edit the video much, if at all. So there we go. Just break it off. You can do that. You got two. Then that centerpiece you could probably recycle. This is a good way so that you don't, or this is a good thing to do so that you don't have to waste money. You can be frugal and you can save the environment all at once, guys. Let's get with it. Check that out. Here, I'll hold it like that, one side. See, I'm not cheating. See where I'm holding it, right on the edge there? It's got a really strong grip. You know, these were made to hold clothes. So you know, something like this, chip clip. Let's do it. Saving the world one piece of plastic at a time, one piece of scrap at a time. We'll see you on the next video, guys.